Hey everyone, it's BB, and in this video we're diving headfirst into the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. Specifically, we'll be exploring STRK, and where I think the price could be headed in 2025 and beyond. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another price prediction video, but hear me out. This isn't about throwing out random numbers and hoping for the best. We're going to be taking a deep dive into the factors that could potentially influence the price of STRK in the coming years, from market trends and technological advancements to potential adoption rates and regulatory changes. For those unfamiliar, STRK, is building a network that aims to revolutionize how we think about payments. We'll be taking a look at how their innovative approach could translate into price movement in both the short and long term. So if you're ready to explore the exciting world of STRK and its potential price trajectory, make sure you stick around. Alright, let's talk about 2025. It's only a couple of years away, but in the crypto world that can feel like a lifetime. So much can change, and that's what makes it so exciting. For STRK, I see two main scenarios playing out, a bull case and unfortunately a bear case. Now in the bull case, things are looking pretty good for STRK. Imagine this. The overall crypto market is booming. Bitcoin is hitting new all-time highs, Ethereum is breaking barriers with its 2.0 upgrade, and everyone is looking for the next big thing. This is where STRK comes in. With its unique approach to payments, STRK could capture a significant chunk of the market. People are looking for faster, cheaper, and more efficient ways to send and receive money, and STRK offers exactly that. We could see major partnerships with payment processors, financial institutions, even large retailers. This kind of adoption would be huge for STRK's price. I'm talking potentially a 5 times, even a 10 times return from where it is today. Imagine buying in now and seeing your investment multiply like that in just a couple of years. It's definitely a possibility, but remember, this is the bull case. Now let's face the music and talk about the bear case. In this scenario, things aren't looking so hot for the crypto market as a whole. Maybe there's a global economic downturn, stricter regulations are imposed, or another crypto winter hits. In this environment, it's going to be tough for any crypto to thrive, even one with as much potential as STRK. Adoption could slow down, partnerships might be put on hold, and investor sentiment could turn negative. This could lead to a dip in STRK's price, maybe even below its current value. It's not pretty, but it's important to be realistic and consider all possibilities. The truth is, 2025 is still a bit of a wild card. It all depends on how these different factors play out. But remember, even in the bear case, this doesn't necessarily mean it's game over for STRK. It might just experience a slower growth trajectory, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It could give the team more time to build, refine their technology, and solidify their position in the market. The key takeaway here is that 2025 is a critical year for STRK. It's a make-or-break period where we'll really see if it can live up to its potential. Will it be a meteoric rise to the top or a slow and steady climb? Only time will tell. But remember, this is just my prediction based on my research and understanding of the market. You need to do your own due diligence, consult with financial advisors, and make an informed decision that's right for you. Now let's shift gears and talk about the long-term vision for STRK. Looking at 2026 to 2030, we're entering a whole new ballgame. This is where the true potential of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies could really start to shine through. Imagine a world where traditional financial systems are becoming increasingly outdated. Cross-border payments take days, fees are exorbitant, and access to financial services is limited for a large portion of the population. This is the problem STRK is trying to solve. By 2030, we could be looking at a world where STRK has become a household name in the payments industry. Its network could be processing billions, if not trillions of dollars worth of transactions every single day. We could be using STRK to pay for our groceries, send money to family overseas instantly, and even access microloans with just a few taps on our phones. This level of adoption would be absolutely groundbreaking and would undoubtedly have a massive impact on STRK's price. We could be talking about gains that dwarf the 5 times or 10 times we discussed earlier. But of course, this is all dependent on a few key factors. First, STRK needs to continue to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. The world of technology moves fast and they need to be agile enough to adapt and evolve. Second, regulation will play a crucial role. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to approach cryptocurrencies, and clear, favorable regulations will be essential for STRK's long-term success. And finally, it all comes down to adoption. Strike can have the best technology and the most supportive regulations, but if people don't use it, it won't matter. They need to continue to build partnerships, raise awareness, and make their platform accessible to as many people as possible. If they can achieve all of this, then the potential for Strike is truly limitless. Imagine holding Stark for the next 5, 10, even 20 years. The returns could be absolutely life-changing. But remember, this is just one possible future. There are countless other scenarios that could play out. Maybe a new, even more innovative technology emerges and disrupts the entire payments industry, or perhaps global economic conditions take a turn for the worse, hindering the growth of the entire crypto market. The truth is, no one can predict the future with 100% certainty. What I can tell you is that Strike is a project with a lot of potentials. They're tackling a real-world problem with a revolutionary solution. So, there you have it. My thoughts on the future of Strike and its potential price trajectory from now until 2030. We covered a lot of ground, from the short-term outlook for 2025 to the long-term vision for the next decade. Remember, these are just my predictions based on my research and understanding of the market. It's crucial to conduct your own thorough research, consider your risk tolerance, and maybe even speak with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so staying informed and up to date is key. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Strike and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and let me know what other cryptocurrencies you'd like me to cover in the comments below.